What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
I made a Tic Tac.
We're Tay-Tax?
She gave me some.
Kevin?
Yep.
We're in art class.
Yep.
Listening to Judas.
It's stuck in my head.
I don't know the lyrics. Let's sing. Well, you want her to sing for you? Okay, let's sing. See what I have done. Ninja. I'm a good ninja.
But boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live.
Me and Portia are walking to What's the Scoop? We's gonna get ice cream.
Yum yum.
Is there a sponge up there? A little sponge up there?
No. I don't think so.
Lame.
Hi, Sally.
Looking for fishes and not doing very well.
Oh,
I don't think I see any.
okay.
And I'm Batman. Portia, we're just like singing really loud on the sidewalk, and all of a sudden we look behind us and there's this little Asian kid riding his bike. So cute. We're like, oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Right, what's the scale? Like what I got. Like a Portia got. Yeah. Dropped my camera on the ground and it almost broke. I drop it a lot. We're gonna walk through this now.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna get eaten by some snakes. Why? Just walk through all that and I still have all this to freaking go. It hurts so bad because there's like twigs sticking everywhere and prickers. Ugh. Ah. I'm not the king of the world.
Taylor's vlogging while I'm vlogging.
Portia's vlogging while I'm vlogging.
We are vlogging together.
Like best friends do.
I like this giant.
I like this
But
giant
I'm not feeling
swing.
the sun in my
And I'm not feeling
Shut up, Taylor.
Shut up, Portia.
He's on a dead butterfly.
Oh, look alive still. Come on. You can do it. Aww. Be careful. Is his wing broken? It is. Look at it. Maybe it
Will you
isn't.
take my... We found a broken
Suffering.
butterfly. It's really sad.
I don't know what to do with.
Hi! Hi!
Hi. Hi. Oh, we finally got back to Portia's house, but now we're leaving again to go to the park. Yay! My legs hurt and my shoes are full of rocks.
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
Oh my god.
I can't do it. Oh my god.
Third house. Spartan brand. 40. Value time. Actually, the value time. Yeah, I stock it. So
Go to Aldi's.
Aldi's. What's Aldi's?
Someone behind.
Probably can't see me, but we're at a fire.
Now he's working at this house again.
I'm so excited that I get my
People.
tattoos for free now, and piercings.
I would be too.
Yep.
Are you getting a full? So you say you're getting?
There's Eric.
You're vlogging a game. Vlogging.
Like tattoos for that. I need to get.
Okay, there's Jackie. Yeah. Watching my little vlogger edit her video. She's just like me. She's growing up so fast. I just killed a bug that was crawling on the toilet paper, so I killed it with the toilet paper it was on. Yeah. I'm so excited to do summer vlogs. They're gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna see some really awesome stuff. So I'll be excited. 3 more school days. Wait, there's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 more days of school and crap, and it's just gonna be all awesome vlogs.